the fuck? Oh, nah, you got me fucked up. How many points is that? How many points? Cause what the hell? Oh, not inverse. Oh, not inverse. Yes, there you go. Go up. Go up, bitch. Yeah, ES is literally just pumping up. Holy fuck. Okay, well, there's that for the day. 202. No.
Piper. That's cool. Piper, cop.
Piper, what?
Good morning to you guys. It is Tuesday. Let's see. Tuesday the 29th. Damn, it's already about to be May. Time's ticking, man. Time's ticking. But anyways, sorry for what happened last post. I did find a way. I found a workaround where I'm just gonna use my laptop, my MacBook, to edit the videos. Low-key pulled an all-nighter just cause I ran yesterday. I know I don't run on Mondays, but here's the thing. I wasn't able to go to the gym over the weekends, so yeah. Starting off in the daily, we are pretty bullish order flow wise, yes. Something that I've noticed is that price created an SMT here in the 4 hour. You see that? Yep. That SMT there. We do have these low resistant liquidities here, resting down here. It would just make sense for us to take these lows and then shoot higher. We also respected this little bearish fair value gap too. Look at that, pretty nice. Say that this is a change of state as well. Came right into it, sold off perfectly. I don't see my entry though, that's one thing for sure. I do have a bearish bias, but I don't have a little 5-minute SMT to at the highest to go off of. It's just a waiting game. I mean, that's 9:16. Market hasn't opened yet, but that's pretty much my analysis for the day here. Since I didn't sleep last night, my head hurts, but it's fine. I'll just rock through. But yeah, I'm gonna be moving soon, funny enough, around 3rd week of May. So I'm gonna get like a before and after shot before I leave or before I move all my stuff, cause damn, man, ain't no way I'm moving back to my old neighborhood. I mean, it was cool, but the memories are gonna hit. But yet again, that house that we're moving back to has a garage, so I already know where I'm gonna have my M3 at. I already have it pictured. Like, I could see it. Maybe I was looking at a picture of the car itself and I just imagined it in that garage. Like, I could just see it happening. At least with that. Cause out here, we don't really have a garage. We park outside off the street or on the driveway. And that's about it. Like, damn. Imagine, bro, my M3 gonna get stolen. So, good luck. Good looking for the future. So since I ran yesterday, that day is cool. We're clear on that. Thinking of running today just so that I wouldn't have to run tomorrow on Wednesday, because I solely want to have Wednesday as a day where I focus on weightlifting. I just want to focus on that, do that, not have to worry about, oh shit, I gotta run. Right, so this is what the market's looking like right now, 941. Created this SMT. It seems like we were gonna break this bearish gap here in ES, but nope. Still respecting, so I'm gonna just have this in place here. Also noticing that we have this little gap here that I would like for price to disrespect. Okay. Unless we just continue up. I mean, that can't happen. Alright, Here we are respecting bullish gaps here. Look at that. No SMTs at the highs. Just, yep. Coming down just to come down. Bruh. Look at that shoot up. Damn. What the fuck? Do I want to change my bias now? Cause what the fuck is this, bro? Like, we created the SMT. We're here disrespecting bearish gaps. Like, are we seriously bearish still? Like, I don't see that. Like, also lining it with order flow being bullish. Look at that, bro. Taking that. Say we came into this. Okay, a little 119 RR. Not the greatest, but something. Maybe I just had the wrong bias today. Like the usual. Fuck. Swear, if I had the right bias, bro, shit, I'd be in this trade. What's weird is that we closed, below. So I'm gonna think, alright, well, we're gonna sell then, if that's the case, right? I feel like maybe that's not how that works. After taking these eyes out, like, okay, he fucking closed below, we gotta fucking sell now, right? Yeah. I found me a little setup here. I was like liking the little SMTs that we created. Also, it's aligning with the bullish order flow that we've been having lately. And also like that we respected this bullish gap. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna execute on this bitch. 4 cons. I'm risking about 170 to make 200. So that's not too bad, bro. Not too bad. Yeah, we did create an SMT right there, but that shit could easily get fucking taken out, bro. I could see it happening. Also, looking at the 1 hour, rejecting these bullish gaps pretty nicely. Look at that. Nice wicks. This should play out, or if it don't. And if it don't, I'll take the loss, journal that motherfucker, sleep, and yeah. That would be that for the day. 10:50. Looking like we about to lose this bitch. You know what? Whatever. Shit. I mean, I guess it was dumb, right? A little dumbass trade. Fucking buying up here when I should have bought down here instead. Because then we weren't actually pretty high up, like how we are up here. So that could just be on me being reckless and impatient. That or I just want to sleep. So I'm like, you know what, fuck it. I'll take whatever happens. Whatever outcome happens, just so I can sleep. What the fuck is this shit rejecting? Hold on. What the fuck? It's not even that obvious what it's rejecting. Okay. Yeah, so there's this for the day. The fuck? I mean, we literally inversed that bullish gap. The hopes in this trade, not too likely whatsoever. If I could get out, I fucking will. But yet again, I want to sleep, so. No, I need to get myself out of this fucking trade. But here we are respecting this bullish gap in the 1 minute. So that could be helping us hold. I'm just here following the trend, though we have came down. Whoop. It's time for us to shoot the fuck up. If I had a bullish bias, then sure, I would have entered this, but nope. Alright. See, there's a part of me that wants to close out of this trade because we inverse that bullish gap, but at the same time, I'm like, here we are respecting. So it's like a battle between the two. My two thoughts. Like, fuck. What do you want to do? Do you want to hold it? Or you hold it and this shit hits TP and then I'm fucking done for the day. I'm accepting my $200 dub. Look at that shit. Okay. You just gotta be very weary when price or when NQ takes this high. That's when, okay, I might want to set my stop loss at break even. That or even this high here. We already took it in ES. NQ hasn't yet. I guess we might disrespect this. Yep, we disrespected this bearish gap. Yeah, GG's boys. We are coming to fucking take profit. It's just a matter of time. Just fucking waiting for this shit to happen and then boom. Come on, bro. Hit TP. Hit my fucking TP, bro. You already there. Come on, bro. Look at that shit. Damn. 1 minute. 2 minutes. Come on, brother. You already up there. I mean, we did take this high, though. Oh, not yet. But we did just take this high. You know what I'm gonna do? Let's take this shit up break even. You just pretty much wait for this shit to hit TP. If it don't hit TP, then yeah, that's that for the day. What the hell? Now watch this shit drop, bro. Right at break even. If it does, then damn. There's that. Yeesh, NQ hasn't even taken it yet. Very concerned, but you know what? We wait. Oh shit. All right. This shit might just give me one tick, 1 point off, and then this shit sells the fuck off. And then damn, there's that. Yeah, I don't trail my stops. I don't do that shit, cause bro, just imagine if you trail your stop, maybe at a no fucking no down here to this point, takes it and then shoots up like bro. Fucking missed on profits. Alright. I'm gonna have to set it down here, bro. Maybe half of this. There you go. Nah, no mommy's way, bro. No, shoot your ass up. Don't disrespect this motherfucking gap. Right, I gotta be nonchalant, bro. I gotta be nonchalant. I gotta not give a fuck. What the fuck? Oh, nah, you got me fucked up. How many points is that? How many points? Cause what the hell? Nah. Bro, why the market always doing me like this? Like, I mean, I guess we gotta, come down a bit and then shoot higher. And I guess, because we did take out this liquidity. I just like these equal highs here. It was really, really, really nice. I'm just wondering when price is gonna fucking take it. I mean, here we are rejecting this bullish gap, so that's nice. Giving me hope. It's just a matter of time when it does happen. Come on. Do your thing. Pump up. There we go. Here. I'm gonna turn up the volume when it hits order filled. And then my ass be done for the day. Potential, what I'm making 225. Alright. Not too bad. It's something. It's profit, bro. It's profit. I'm cool with that, man. Shit. Making $100 more than I lost last week, which you guys didn't see, unfortunately. Come on. GP. 11 o'clock. Right there. You right there, bitch. Take that motherfucker, bro.
Order filled.
Let's go, bro. And that is it for the day, boys. That is it. I am going to fucking bed, bro. Hold on. Let me show you guys. I even said in last week's video, oh yeah, you made this loss. Man, that's light shit, man. We're gonna fucking make that shit back next week. Look at me, bro. $222.04. We up 1,062 for the fucking month, bro. Let's go, bro. Let's keep it up, man. One more fucking trading day, and then that would pretty much staple this month of April. As you can see, a motherfucker took a dub. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go sleep. I'm very sleep deprived. I did not sleep at all tonight. Not good. But 11:01, got my dub. I'm ahead of bed. And then I'm gonna film a gym sesh for you guys. Let's go. I'm hyped. Anyways, glad that this trade worked out. Had a bearish bias at first. That shit did not even end up playing out because if we were really bearish, we wouldn't be creating fucking SMTs at the lows, disrespecting the bearish gaps. There's that for the day. I don't overtrade. I don't turn winning days to losing days. I don't do all that fucking shit. Because I know at the end of the day, if I do that, I'm pretty much just fucking myself over. And I don't need to be doing that to myself. I'm trying to build this fucking account. But, yeah. Cool shit, man. Great way to end the fucking day. Props to inverse fair value gaps and SMTs at the 5 minutes. Fuck yeah. See you guys. Right, it is 9:49, which is 6:49 here. And yeah, this is pretty much what the market's looking like right after I had taken a dub. And yep, 157.05. Telling you guys, I do not overtrade. Once I take a dub, I am done. Look at that shit. 2 before one trade. Look at that shit. Fire. So this is what I'm eating right now before the gym. You know, some pasta. Not too bad. About to hit gym around 8 o'clock or so. Cause your boy needs some energy. Before I leave to the gym, I'm gonna journal this trade real quick. Ew, look at this, bruh. Oh, yummy. My favorite. Bruh, ain't no way we got a fucking crackhead with his crack out. Crackhead with his crack out. It's crazy work, bro. What the fuck, bro?
Bitch, like shit was wrong, bitch. See the part where you go, bitch. Talk now, fast to the cold, bitch. Top flow shit, fucking at the gym. Bruh, ain't no way. You know what I'm saying? Going slow, bitch. I'm hoping these are cold, bitch. Yeah, I stay on my mode, bitch. You know I'm going, stay in these mode, bitch. Petty that Glock, it gon' blow, bitch.
Good thing we're not on a hill, because I could have this car on neutral. And I'm just chilling here. No foot on the brake. Low-key chilling, bro. I'm gonna fuck around, finish my boba before I get home. This ain't work. Nah, these seem like fucking normal ass cars, bro. What the fuck is this? Fucking Prius. Fucking ambulance too.
I'm in the Dell smoking dope with 2 Asian women. 8-3, pussy yellow like a bubble. Cutting up, I swear don't pull up next to me.
Let me go, man. Shit, man. What the fuck going on? I'm gonna put the camera down because there's ops. Hey, y'all can't park there. Hey, y'all can't park there.
It is 1:05. Bro, the convenience of having to just transfer all of the photos, the videos, and everything onto the laptop, and then I can just delete the videos on this phone just so I could have more storage to fucking record. That's fire as fuck. It was meant to be. Instead of me having to edit on my fucking iPhone. So that's cool. Yeah, finish shit. Bruh, I was just back testing, right? Ain't no fucking way I was in this trade. 1 point, literally 1 point away from TP, bruh. And it hits me right at break even. You got me fucked up. What's up, guys? Happy Wednesday. As you can see, today is actually finally selling off compared to what happened yesterday when we were building it up. So we had finally created this SMT here at the 1 hour highs, and it seems as if we are coming down to these liquidities that I had marked out yesterday. We can see a potential reversal once, you know, we might create a SMT down these lows, or we all take it and then we shoot up. That's a possible chance. It's just when. At least this time I had a 3-hour nap. Hey, that's better than what I had yesterday, so that's cool. Pretty excited for today. Gonna be hanging out with my boy Diego again. We're gonna be in the gym and shit. I know. 3 days in a row, yo. And then being in the gym, yeah. That's how I do it, bro. Gotta make sacrifices, man. We have a clean breakthrough on that 5-minute bearish for value gap, as well as creating a bullish gap here. See, now we just pretty much wait, you know. Do we respect this gap here, or do we disrespect it, as in create a SMT up there? Alright, then we come down, disrespect that, and then we shoot down lower to take all those lows. I don't know. Supposedly we had created an SMT up there within these highs, right? And I noticed that we had created a bullish gap here. Looking at how we whipped that gap, and NQ kind of closed below. Yes, having me thought that maybe we are quite bullish for right now. Bro, what the fuck? Just one fucking minute candle. We took that little high there. Bro, what the fuck? Just shut the fuck down. Very weird shit. But yeah, I literally took that liquidity and fucking dumped down. Not giving me my damn entry, but I taking a trade before news. Hell yeah. Damn, bitch. Alright, running towards fucking TP. Damn, okay. Shit. Here we are in ES. It is 9:40. See, I don't even fucking look at the time. I didn't realize it was already 9:40, but here we are. Down there, looking like ES is about to take that second liquidity that we have. Cool stuff, cool stuff. Bro, what the? Get the fuck out of here, Norton. Alright, so, boom, we finally took that low. Now it's just a matter of time of, do we come up now from this point? Do we come up or do we continue to sell off? If that's the case, if we are going to continue to sell off, we do have these bullish gaps that can say otherwise. Let me take this shit out. I mean, if we do come down here, holy shit, that is something. Here's price in the daily entering that bullish fair value gap that we had. Do not have that in ES. We do have that in MQ. So we could see a reversal? Question mark. Could see one. Maybe not. I don't know. Okay. Closed above. Didn't really even tap into it. Just 1 point off, I'd say. Okay. Respected this little 1 minute bearish gap here. Okay. Having this come down. Not even prepared yet if that does happen. Shit. Down here. Slow. Targeting this liquidity there. See how much. 3 cons? No, 2 cons. Alright, not too bad. 137. So 2 contracts. So we did just inverse that, but I don't like it. Because I would like for us to at least come above this, at least. Let me be patient. Let us come above this and see what happens when we do react towards this bearish gap instead of just jumping up the gun, off the gun there. We did just respect that bullish gap here. The temptation of just wanting to fucking take a trade there. It's very highly for me, but no. Let's be a disciplined trader and wait. Let's wait for this to close above and then okay. If we do create S&T here at the low, we do suspect this, possibly, then let's take it. Other than that, no. I don't need to regret anything. Not at this point. If this shit goes up, cool, that's fine, but me personally, I just for my mental sake, I don't want to rush into trades. Fucking regret them afterwards. Like, oh shit, I wish I haven't done that. Now I'm done for the day. But, yeah. We'll see. Took out all the relative lows. I mean, it makes sense for a price now to finally come up, which it is doing right now. Cool. Do your thing. But I need something that will help me mentally. Like, alright, a change of state. Just close above that and then keep. Haven't yet for ES, but we are shooting up after coming into this bearish fair value gap and this bullish gap quite sometimes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles in. Literally ran that through. ES is finally coming into that bearish gap. Close above this, and yeah, pretty much waiting for an SMT here, like what we had down here, and then shooting for a long. Feeling a little bit of regret, but look at that, bro. Shooting up, take profit a little higher. But yeah, imagine if I had ended it. Damn. But no, I needed more confirmation. Like, we needed to go above this. For me personally, like, we already took all the relative lows. So I was like, okay, I mean, it can shoot up, but we don't know that. Times of hardship. We got ChatGPT. I just got back from dropping my brother off from school, and here we are. 10:41. Created this SMT here. Okay. As well as respecting this bearish gap too. Mark this out here. Let me remove that. Okay. This could just be a fucking retracement down to maybe equilibrium or so, and then shoot higher. That could be the case. Because we already took all the relative lows. Like, what, we're gonna fucking target down here? Unlikely, but it could happen. But it's just pretty much watching what is price saying, you know? Honestly, I might even give this a shot. Like, it's a really mature way to see it, wanting to take the trade, but recognizing the need for more screen time before taking your process. That balance between instinct and discipline where real growth happens. It might help to journal this specific setup, which I will be doing. How the SMT lined up, what price did around the fair value gap, and why there wasn't a change of state. That way, if you start seeing similar behavior repeat, you have the data to back up whether the peer rules should evolve or stay tight. CW fucking ChatGPT, man. Times of me having big FOMO, like, damn, I should have fucking entered this trade. You know what? That is fine with me. I'm glad that I have motherfucking ChatGPT to let me know about this. Because I will do exactly that. I will journal this trade. Just so I can have reference for future. Found this little setup here. So we created an SMT at the low. Our changes state. It's here. 5 minute. Look at that. Or actually down here. And then we did create SMT, but there's a good chance that we can disrespect that motherfucker. Because we already took all the relative lows here, so.
Order filled.
We'll see. Take a loss here, we fucking take a loss. Shit. Let me mark that shit down. But this is pretty much me ignoring the fact that we have a fucking SMT here. So if this shit does reverse down, then that is so much of my fault. Could be the fact that I had a little FOMO. So, you know, the simplest way to deal with FOMO is, alright, you find a setup that you really like, kind of. And then, yeah, you just say, fuck it. It's not gambling, right? Respect to that. Took out all of the relative lows. Fucking came into this bullish gap here. Rejected. Let's see how it's looking on the daily. Yeah, rejected that shit.
But yeah. Pretty much now just a waiting game for price to take this high as well. And yeah. Cool. All these bearish for value gaps. Not too fond of it, but yeah. If we do disrespect this, it's kind of GG's for us. But yet again, this is gonna be one way I learn not to take any entries off of, you know, the SMTs that were created at the high there. This would pretty much be my learning lesson. Like, yo, shouldn't have done that, or I should have done that. Like, oh, okay, there's SMT here, but at the same time, we have been pretty low. 36 RR, not too bad. Risking around, what, 190? Yeah, 190 to make 683, around 683. Not too bad. I do get stopped out. I get fucking stopped out, and that is totally fine by me. Price is literally inversing. Yep, just inverse the fuck out of that bullish gap there. Yep, looking like we about to lose this bitch. So I still have profits from what I had from yesterday, so it's not the end of the world. If we inverse that, I mean, Loki gonna give me hope. Shit. If we do respect, then yeah, we're fucked. Alright. Nice momentum pushing upwards now. Bro, why does price always do this to me, man? It's like, alright, I'm gonna fuck with you real quick, and then it's gonna shoot up right to my take profit. Like, ain't no fucking way, bro. It might be looking like we about to invalidate this high here. But price always doing some fuck shit, bro. Nah, no. Wait for you fucking create a fucking SMT, bro. Within this internal. Oh, yeah. I don't know. But we gotta fucking wait. We gotta wait for this shit to play out. Please take this. If you don't, I'm gonna fucking cry, bro. I mean, we just disrespected that bearish gap, so. But here's one thing to keep note of. Once we do take this high here, good chance that price may want to come back down again and then possibly shoot up. It's a good chance. Should I go break even? Because I'm not liking that we did create this S&T that we just created. Fuck. See, it's like, do I wait it out? Do I hold? Do I just fucking... I'm not liking this. But you know what? I'm gonna fucking bite the bullet on this one. What the fuck? No way, we're gonna inverse that shit, bro. Oh, not inverse. Oh, not inverse. Yes, there you go. Go up. Go up, bitch. Let's see what the fuck is price doing. See, I'm over here thinking, all right, we're gonna inverse this shit, and then here we go down a fucking stop loss. But no, what the fuck is this, bro? Don't tell me I'm in the midst of consolidation, bro. I mean, I guess we gotta consolidate before we shoot up. Yeah, that's cool, I guess. Yeah, I know, huh? TP's all the way here. Fuck partials, bro. Okay, no longer an S&T there. Let's see, are we gonna take this or are we not? I know it's very risky of me to not take partials, but I'd rather take full profit just so that my profit isn't skewed, because for me, I'm expecting to make 683, around 683. If I'm only getting fucking 400 of that 683, then it's like, what the fuck? You know, like, it just fucks with me mentally. Like, bro, I waited all that for a 400. I mean, that's still good though, you know, don't get me wrong, that's profit still, but I'm expected to make 683. So it would make sense for me to get 683, like around there, you know? But S&T again, are we gonna fucking come down to this bullish gap, make it seem like we're gonna fucking inverse it and then shoot up, or what? Respecting bullish gaps in the 1 minute, pretty cool stuff here. I mean, it makes sense why we're low-key coming down. I mean, we do have this 5 minute bearish imbalance. Let's see here. Yep, we have that. Ooh, not only we had created S&T there, but create S&T here as well. What the fuck? Okay, damn, bitch, having me think we about to get stopped down in this bitch, like around here, and it's a psych, fucking playing with your emotions, and then boom, TP, bro, keep doing that shit, TP, full TP, bro. That's how we do it, especially on a Wednesday. I mean, I'll hold this throughout PM session if we need to, you know. I'll do it. I don't mind. But at a certain point, when should I set myself at break even? That's one thing. That's the tricky part about this. Because we could just go whoop, boom. Or we can just go whoop, whoop, and yep. Maybe in my dreams. See, this is why I like trading live, bro. This is the thrill of it, man. I love it. You know? You don't get that shit in fucking backtesting, bro. Backtesting shit's lame as hell. But yet again, sharpening your edge. Oh my god. But like, this is fun. I like this. I like trading live, man. I'm gonna play some tunes while I fucking wait for this shit to go. It is 11:06. So 12 would be here for me for PM sesh. So I'm just gonna keep that in mind. Bro, this song go hard, bro. I'm gonna have fucking ChatGPT analyze this song for me. I love the breakdown of it. It's fucking beautiful. ChatGPT, man. Definitely my new best friend. The ghost. The ghost, bro. Full TP in this bitch. I don't know when I'm gonna go break even. It's gonna be tricky, bro. Should I go break even right when we tap into this bearish or value gap? Probably, huh? I guess that would be smart. I mean, it's kind of like around the 50% line of this take profit range, or this profit range, I mean. Type shit, bro. Let's just vibe to this song. Hold on, I'll turn it up too. The ghost. It reminds me of like a Roblox Apocalypse fucking background type of instrumental. The ghost. And I need more. And he said, the ghost. Pretty much once we tap right into this fair value gap here, I am setting my stop at break even. That, or if price just begins to fucking shoot down like crazy, send that shit at break even. Cause you got me fucked up. I ain't losing no damn 190. Oh fuck. Especially being up this much, like, oh hell no, bro. Take one day to trade, you know, whatever outcome happens, fucking happens. Do not overtrade. We don't do all that shit, bro. We only take full take profits, break even trades, or stop losses. Damn, look at this shit, bro. We fucking wicked that bearish for value gap. What the fuck? I mean, you all would say that this is a supply zone or something. Like, what the fuck? Okay. I guess you gotta take some liquidity for shooting higher, right? Do your thing, bro. Fucking string. I don't know what this string is called. Bro, no, it's not. No fucking way, bro. Like, I wasn't even playing that hard. Bro. That's some bullshit. What is that? But here we are. 5:43. Still in fucking 4:16. We haven't even fucking moved. Alright, about to be 12. And yeah, we're still fucking waiting for this damn tray to hit TP, bro. I've noticed that we've been rejecting this fair value gap, but honestly, I could give two shits, bro. Like, we could SMT here, SMT there, SMT there, you know. Honestly, I'm just here to fucking wait for this bitch to take this liquidity here. And then I'm out. You know, like, I already have set faith. Like, alright, this shit gonna hit TP, bro. No way this shit could come down. It can't. It's I don't know. I just don't see it happening after taking all these fucking low resistant liquidities. I was watching a fucking video because I look need to know like what strings to fucking buy. Contemplating buying this string here, which is this. But I'm looking at the chart right now. Hold on. 1207. And here we are. Let me mute this shit. But look. Bro, come on, man. This shit is bound to hit take profit, bro. Come on, bro. It's a given at this point. I could see it happening. Just when. Look at that. Imagine I was like, oh, let me close out of this trade. Fucking loser, bro. 128, 129 now. And bro, look at this shit. Oh my fucking god, bro. I've been holding this motherfucker forever. Bro, I was thinking, alright, shit, we're coming down. Alright, this is gonna hit my fucking break even. Then alright, I'm break even for the day. But then that shit decided to go up. Inverse this bearish for value gap. I'm like, okay, cool. I mean, I'm guessing we're gonna go up now, but nope. That shit said, alright, I'm gonna go down now. Inversing that bullish gap. Now I'm thinking, okay, yes, we're definitely gonna fucking hit. Bruh. We're definitely gonna hit my break even. And then inverse, and then here we are now. What the fuck, bro? I just want to go to sleep, bro. I can't either because I had to drop my dad off work today because apparently I had to drop my brother off at school so he could drop his band clothes there. Like, bro, come on, man. I just want to fucking sleep. I'm not going to be able to. And then around 8, I'm going to be working out with Diego. So, busy day. No time for sleep, man. Damn, bro. And I'm only running off of like 3 hours of sleep, which is fucking crazy. But, hey, at least I was able to pull this fucking move. Fucking some trades would have definitely hesitated. Like, oh no, we inversed this bullish gap. We're gonna fucking start dumping, which I had thought too, but no, that was not the case. I mean, looked in the 15-minute. Here we are respecting the fuck out of it in ES. I really like that. Same goes for NQ too. Like, look at that shit, bro. So I was like, okay. Giving me hope. My drawing liquidity still is fucking high. So, yep. I guess this is the price of being fucking stubborn. It's gonna be one way to end the fucking month with a fucking banger of a fucking trade. So that's cool. I fuck with that. Yep. I'll show you guys what I'm about to eat though. Here we have the motherfucking tamale with the corn. Yeah, with the fucking market chewing up now. Come on, bruh. Hit my take profit, man. We've been holding for so fucking long. Man, I was in bed. I was like, all right, you know what? I'm gonna just let this fucking trade play out. Either we go take profit or break even. I ain't moving my stop loss anywhere. I'm just gonna leave it there. And I'm gonna just fucking watch some YouTube. Oh shit! Hold on.
Order filled.
Let's go, bro. Come on, man. 135. We just made 680 fucking one, bro. Thank fuck. Okay. So this is what the month is looking like now. Fucking beautiful, man. This is yeah, banger of a fucking trade, bro. I am so proud, bro. I'm so happy with myself. It wasn't always like this. So if we were to check March, okay, we were building up to it. 997, cool. But I was trading a different strategy, I believe. Like change the state strategy, all that bullshit. This month, look at that. Ooh, I learned a lot from this month. Especially losing that amount. I was like risking a lot more than I was making. Like, look at this, 53, what the fuck? 589, what the hell? That one day, this one specific day doesn't fucking count. Like, it had entered me into a trade when it stopped me out. I don't know, it was very weird. And then apparently when that happened, when I had checked, I was like, oh shit, I'm up 1,000. Let me just close this. And then, yeah. Overall, this should have been like a fucking 2K loss. Or something. Holy shit, bro. And then January. This was like my first ever tilt day. From there, I never wanted a tilt. Oh yeah, we also tilted on 10, 8. But the next week, after that, we were like, yep, 5 trades. What the hell? Hold on, let me see this shit. What the shit? Okay. What a fucking month, bro. It's gonna be a day where I'm no longer gonna be sleep deprived. Just a matter of time when I'm fucking pulling money out of these markets, bro. Finally getting to help my parents and shit. Get to pay the fucking car off, the Civic. Pay that off first. Shit, I'll give them the 20K that I make off of topstep, all that shit, so that they can pay that car off and also have some money on the side for whatever they need to do with that money. And then shit, I'm gonna fuck around, pay my mom's credit card bills and all that shit. When my family's all set, they're all good, that's when, okay, I'm gonna get myself a fucking car. And you guys know what fucking car I'm gonna get. That motherfucking M3 G80, bro. Like, let me get that shit. So we have this. Alright, some light. Look at that. Oh, look at that fucking rear end, bro. That shit look tough, bro. X-Drive, comp. Damn, man. Can't make this shit up, bro. It's gonna be mine one day. Not maybe that specific car, but it's gonna be mine one. This car in particular, bro. Shit, man. It's gonna be my first car, bro. After that, once I get myself an apartment in Walnut Creek, I'm gonna get me a fucking C6 Z06, bruh. Cause I got to. It's a fucking must, bro. Like, and they aren't that bad for monthly either. Like 580? That's light shit, bro. I would think that these cars would be 1,000 at least, but look at this, bro. A Z06. Dude, I cam this hoe? Oh my fuck. Cannot wait for what the fucking future holds, bro. Holy shit. It's just a matter of time when that shit does begin to happen. And you guys are all gonna be here to fucking see it happening, bro. It's unfortunate that last week's video wasn't able to post, but at least this time I found the workaround. And I could definitely guarantee you guys that there will be a video every Friday for you guys. And then maybe a weekend in the life. I don't know yet. They're not that interesting or that exciting. I mean, I'm gonna be working now over the weekends. It's not always gonna be like that where always gonna be working. You know, so for right now, I'll sacrifice, make my bread, build my bread up, because I'm low-key eating in my fucking savings. And I don't like that shit whatsoever. Especially if I'm getting paid less, yeah, my savings are gonna go bye-bye. And I don't even want to touch my investments either. Like, no, I'm just gonna let them be, let them rock. Keep sticking to it, man. Eventually, that shit's gonna fucking pay off, bro. Eventually. But other than that, I'm gonna fucking eat this damn tamale. Look at that bitch. Damn. Anyways, catch you guys in a bit. It is 7:46 p.m. and I'm about to head to the gym. What's up, guys? I hope you guys are having a great Thursday so far. Right, so in NQ we had created these SMTs at the lows here after creating SMT at the high. So this SMT at the high already played off, which now we had created an SMT at the low. And then from there, I am willing to wait for us to go above this green candle to at least close above it. So this close above that, which would give me the confirmation like, okay, I could be aiming for these highs now. That is one thing for sure. Aim for those highs. But yet again, we are pretty bullish. So maybe want to take more of these lows out. So that's kind of where I'm at, where it's not too clear of what I believe price would want to do. We're like really close to this liquidity. But yet, here we are far away from it in ES. So I believe once we take this out, we might, I don't know, we might either begin dumping a lot. It could happen, it's a possibility. When we ran this 30-minute bullish gap, so that's what's kind of making this a little tricky. I didn't really respect any of the bulls here. So it is May 1st, so usually, from what I heard, the first day of the month is usually the sketchiest day to trade. But here I am, fucking trading it. 9:30 just kind of opened 1 minute ago, and this is what happened. Right, so we came into this bearish for value gap, fucking rejected insanely well. So it's one thing about who's in play here. Might as well take the lows out, right, before we shoot higher. Haven't taken the low yet, so there's that. I'm liking the rejection of this bearish gap here. came into this little inverse fair value gap rejected nicely, liking the reaction off of that, using a previous SMT that was created within this downward movement. Hello? Silver 2. Yeah. See what happens. We're now in this trade. If we do get stopped out, we get stopped out for $200, which isn't that bad. But, yep, here we are. I mean, I was really liking how we were respecting this, so jump the gun on this. See what we can take, man. Shit. I'll fuck around, go break even at this low, so when we do come down here, oh fuck. Take that and then, yep. Yep, here we are, respecting it nicely. Love that. Could definitely help us come down lower. Okay, we were at drawdown for a little bit. Just wanted to note that. There you go. Yep, here we are waking that shit though. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Also, this long little box here, that's pretty much a 15-minute fair value gap that ES has been respecting. Look at that shit. Wow. Very nice wicks. Alright, we have 20 seconds before this candle closes. Looking like we're about to inverse this bearish gap in ES now. But here we are creating SMTs though. Not too hopeful that these are gonna hold, but we'll see. We will see. Hey man, $200 loss. That's cool with me, man. That ain't shit. So I'm not even tripping if this shit fucking hits stop loss, bro. Looking like we're gonna get stopped out here. That's fine. You win some and lose some. Just how this trading shit goes. Definitely will have to journal this loss. See where I can be a better trader. Yeah, ES is literally just pumping up. Holy fuck.
Order filled.
Okay, well, there's that for the day. 202. Check my stats. Right. 202. Loss for the month. Okay. So we have one more trading day. And then that would pretty much be it. Yeah. There's that for the start of May. What the fuck? Okay. So guys, this is how the market's looking like right after that loss that I taken. So 12 right here came up, taking that liquidity. It's hella funny. So I tried to take a picture of a 1 minute time frame of today's losing trade, and it said disc full. Bought myself a hard drive, so we should be good. It's coming in tomorrow morning, and pretty much just plug and play. Pretty easy. The hard drive was quite expensive, but you know, it's well worth it, especially if I'm gonna be recording fucking videos and shit for y'all. Well worth the investment. Like, I want you guys to see like how this shit goes, the come up. Hope you guys are having a pretty good day so far. It is 7:19, and I'm about to hang out with the boys soon. So yeah, I'm gonna be hanging out with the gang today. We're gonna go to Dave's again, my favorite place, and then we're gonna watch another movie. But like, hold on, let me journal this trade, and then we'll get to it. And then my parents are gonna get the keys for the house today at around 7:30. So cool shit. It is not 6:57, not even 8:24. It's like around 1 in the morning, and I'm at the new fucking crib, bro. No way, bro. This feels so fucking crazy because it's just me. It's like coming to my own house. POV fucking made in trading, bro. Like, holy shit. It's just crazy to be back here. Like, bro, look at the cabinets. It's fucking beautiful, bro. The fridge, love that. Let's check out my room. My piano there. Not too bad. Closet there. Just trying to picture, and I'm considering having the bed actually on this side, facing this way. And then I would have more space here. So I have a TV there. I might have to have the table facing this way so that I can trade here. Yeah. Not too bad of a space. Not too bad. But this is what's gonna be my new room, guys. New room. Right here, man. But I'm gonna show you guys the garage where I'm gonna have my M3 at. Here's the garage, and literally what I had said in this video, well, in today's video, I seen a vision of the M3 G80 being in this garage. It's not gonna always be a Civic that I'm gonna be pulling up in, bro. Trust. What's up, y'all? Hope you guys are having a great Friday so far. As of right now, this is what we have. Pretty bullish in the daily, so I'm definitely considering looking for buys here. We already took that eye right there. Respecting bullish fair value gaps here in the 1 hour. Wondering if we had created SMT down here. We sure did. So SMT there. There we go. Change the state to 15. Change state to 15. Change state in the 5 minute as well. Yeah. Let's just see how Friday goes. Whether if we'll get like a little retracement down and then we shoot up higher, or we just continue. Grab the laptop for the 1 minute. Seeing what's being respected here. What isn't being respected. Pretty cool. My piano gone. Yeah. Alright, 9:30. Market just had open, and here we are where we stand with the market right now. Looking like we're gonna inverse this bullish gap here, which we low-key kinda are. Wondering whether if we're gonna come right down in here in this bullish gap, create an SMT maybe around in here and then shoot higher, who knows. 9:38, and we have created SMT here. Looking at the 1 minute over here, whether if we're gonna inverse that. Interesting. If we do inverse, let me get a good idea. Respected at, assuming this is the, yep. So let me mark that out here. Okay, we just came above that. 176. See, 2 cones, 3, 4, 5, 4. 165 to make 290. It's not that bad, especially since we had created SMT there. 4 cones. Okay. Look at here. That 4 cons. And stop at 4. Came above that, and now in the 1 minute, we're respected that, the 5 minute. Here we are. Boom. There you go. We're respecting the 1 minute. I'm just gonna leave the 5 minute time frame here while I look over here. So this is what it's looking like. Let me brighten the screen. So I'm completely inverse this little bit of sharp valley gap, create an SMT here. Wondering whether if we're gonna inverse this. If we do, I'm pretty skeptical of that. If we do inverse, 20 seconds to 19 seconds. There you go. It's got it filled right there. Right. Let's see whether if we run this through. If that's the case, then there's that for the fucking day, bro. You're gonna continue to hold, or are you gonna stop me out here? Alright, 9:46, coming in pretty deep. Oh, okay. Alright. Giving me a little 5 minute SMT. Okay. I see you. Yeah, I'm just wondering if you're gonna play out though, that's one thing. Look at that shit. This is what it's looking like right now. Damn, this shit look like it ain't about to hold, bro.
Order filled.
There you go. 162, man, giving back the damn profits. Shit. See stats for the week. Alright. Back-to-back losses, back-to-back dubs. Let's see if we get like a little change of state here. Yep. Maybe I should have waited for that. Since we didn't even get one here. We literally respected that bearish for value gap. So that was one thing of a mistake that I did. Paper trading this. So let's see how this shit goes. Especially since we had created this change of state here. Just wondering whether if we're gonna shoot ourselves higher because of that. If this shit fucking works out, bro. And then I know to look for a change of state in the 1 minute. So that we don't get fucking chopped like this. Damn. Look at that, bro. There you go. It's gonna hit fucking TP here. Stops at break even here. Say 5. Because we're already pretty deep in there. Straight fucking wicking that shit, bro. Oh, we're gonna hit it now? Are we finally gonna have that momentum to push up? No? Come on. You're right there. You're literally right there. You're a couple points away. Come on. There you go. Come on. You're right there, bro. Alright. You finally gonna take it, or are you gonna wake? Oh, you're gonna wake. Okay. Bruh. You're right there. There you go. See, that would have been it. It's pretty irrelevant, but look at this fucking trippy ass wallpaper. Imagine being fucking fried and you're just looking at this shit, bro. If I was off of some like fucking drugs, bro, like say LSD, like some shrooms or shit, this is something that I'd be looking at. This is insanely trippy. Me casually walking. Imagine like a big ass bear coming from the side there. Oh yeah, you're cooked, buddy. While you're on drugs, yeah, you're fucked. GG's. You run, you're done. What the fuck? You see that? No, I'm kidding. Glad Amazon fucking has this thingy-majig where I can track how many stops this guy has till my package comes. Look at this guy, man. What a happy guy. What a nice man. This is exactly what I looked like after getting stopped out. Honestly, man, I believe I'm just gonna take this table and everything to the new house.
I have the 1 terabyte portable hard drive. Look at that, relatively pretty small. Look at that, my hand. Yes, my fucking bed is messy. I just need someone to put all this shit, okay? Anyways, look at that. Wow. Now I have this plugged into my MacBook. Check the info. Look at that shit. 1 terabyte. If it fucking focuses. Hello?
And I had reformatted it, so now it says Xbox. So this should now hypothetically work for my MacBook. Shit better. Swear to fuck. Hold on. Let's see. Let's see. Are you gonna do it? Are you gonna? If you don't, I'm gonna have to crash out. I believe it's this one. 6. No. Bruh.
Here's the after of the table. Gone.
Eating this before I drive all the way to the new crib. So, get all this energy in me. Do all that.
Type shit. New setup, bro. I fucking pulled up bar up there because knowing damn well how tall this fucking door, bro. Yeah, that shit is not gonna get used. Hey man, if anybody wants it.
Hey, you! Yeah, you! Swipe your card to try me out. Hey, you!
No.
Piper! That's cool. Piper, cop.
Piper, what?
She loves now her favorite.
She's onto like,
Yeah.